What is Docker? How does Docker work? I would say go. Docker is a bit like a virtual machine, but not. It's a bit difficult to explain in 10 sentences. It's a way where you basically you can create containers, and these containers have a Linux layer and an application layer, I would say, where you can once you have a piece of code or a tool that you installed, you can basically create a Docker container out of it. And this way it's very easy to ship because it brings the whole environment with it. But it's not like a VM that you have to set up and that you have to give resources for, and so on and so on. It's a bit different. Look at docker.com. I think it's docker.com, right? Yeah, it is. Here, look here, docker.com, and most likely go to developers and go to getting started. Docker for desktop, most likely they have a documentation here somewhere. Pricing, products, docs, here, docs, getting started. And there are a lot of things to actually look into. That's how I would start with this. That's how I would look into Docker.